This is a recipe for scallion pancakes. For the dough, you will need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of hot water, 1/4 cup of room temperature water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. For the roux, you will need 1/2 cup of flour and oil. For the actual pancake, you will need Chinese 5-spice and scallions to taste. For the dough, combine the flour, sugar, and salt in a bowl. Then, slowly add in the hot water while stirring. When finished, add in the room temperature water. If the dough is still too dry, you can add an additional tablespoon of hot water. After everything is added to the bowl, gently knead the dough on a floured surface for around 10 minutes. Then, place it in a bowl and cover it with a damp towel. This is to ensure it doesn't dry up. And place in a cool, dark place for 30 minutes to an hour, though an hour would be better. While the dough is resting, begin preparing the other ingredients. In a small saucepan, mix the 1/2 cup of flour and oil over medium-low heat and stir until thickened into a paste to make the roux. Then, remove from heat and leave to cool slightly. While it cools, chop up the scallions. The amount depends on how much you want in the pancake. The green parts of the scallions are softer, so I'd recommend using only them. When the dough is fully rested, take it out of the bowl and cut into smaller portions. I make around 10 pieces. Roll out the dough until as thin as possible, brush on some roux, add some Chinese 5-spice and scallions to taste. Then, roll it up into a log and roll again into a pinwheel shape. Repeat this until there is no more dough. Place the dough pinwheels back into the bowl and cover again with a damp towel. Leave it to rest in a cool and dark place for an hour, though leaving it overnight would get the best texture. After the dough rests for a second time, roll it out again until as thin as possible. Fry in an oiled pan until golden brown. You can serve by itself or with other toppings and sauces.